I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by parking safely and turning the ignition to ACC so the radio and display are powered, but the engine can remain off. Locate the clock button on the dash or the touchscreen settings system clock menu. If the stereo shows GPS time or automatic time, toggle GPS sync off before manual entry. Press and hold the clock button for 2 seconds to enter clock adjust mode, and be prepared to use either the tune knob or on-screen arrows. With the clock adjust mode active, rotate the tune knob or tap the touchscreen arrows to change the hour value first. Each click moves the hour by 1. Confirm the hour by pressing the tune knob or the on-screen SET button, then repeat the same process for minutes using 1-minute increments. If your display offers 12-hour or 24-hour format, toggle the format in the same clock menu before finalizing. Make sure AM or PM is set correctly when using 12-hour mode. After adjusting hours and minutes and confirming each field, press the clock button or the on-screen OK/SET to save the time and exit adjust mode. Do not disconnect power while saving. Turn ignition off and then back to ACC to verify the displayed time persists across power cycles. If you prefer automatic corrections, re-enable GPS time sync or enable the daylight saving option in the clock settings so the system will move the clock by 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.